Meaning of devotee.
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 Devotee. A devotee is a person who is deeply committed to a particular religion, cause, or activity. They show great devotion and dedication to their beliefs or interests, often going to great lengths to support and uphold them. A devotee may spend a significant amount of time and resources on their chosen pursuit, and may view it as an essential part of their identity and purpose in life. Devotees may form communities or organizations around their shared passion, and may work towards advancing their cause or spreading awareness of their beliefs.